Hey guys, it's Beth here with the Deer's Embroidery Legacy, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own embroidered picture frame decor. Let's get started. So because this project is really quick and easy, you don't really need many materials for it. You probably already have it in your craft stash, or you can get it also from the dollar store. So we are going to need a picture frame, which I got this at the dollar store. Fabric, I'm going to use some cutaway stabilizer, a hot glue gun, temporary fabric adhesive, some scissors, and any type of embellishment that you want to use. And I'm also going to be using our embroidery design called Booyal. It's perfect for the Halloween season, so that's what my theme is going to be for this project. So first I'm going to start with hooping my fabric using my cutaway stabilizer. Then I'm going to put my material on top. And now it's ready for the machine. Now that our design is finished, we are going to take it off the hoop. We're going to take our picture frame that we have and remove the back of it. And the size that we have here is what we want to put around the picture. I'm just going to cut around that. Because it is on plaid, I kind of know where the lines are. So I'm just going to keep that as a guide. It's okay if it's a little bit over because we can always trim it afterwards. And I will have to cut my stabilizer after. So now we got that done. Next, we're going to take the back of the picture frame. Make sure you have it the way that you're going to be showing the picture. So my picture is going to go like this, so I'm going to make sure that it's this way. And then I want to take my adhesive spray. Make sure you're in a very well ventilated area because you don't want to be breathing this in. And if you want to learn more about adhesive spray, we do have a really great blog. We'll link it below. And because it's on the back of the picture frame, it's okay that we sprayed that rather than the fabric. I'm just going to even that out there. Now if you were doing an applique, you would definitely want to spray the applique piece rather than the fabric, and that way it stays perfect. And I'm actually going to spray a little bit under here, I think, just so that it stays properly. Alright, I'm actually going to cut around the back here, so as you can see there's still quite a bit of fabric all around. I'm just going to next we're going to embellish. So I have my hot glue gun here, it is on, it is ready, and I'm going to give him a little bow tie. So I'm going to start by creating a knot. And because it's small, it's a little bit trickier. I think that's pretty good. Just go right there. So I'm going to get my hot glue gun. Put it on the back of them. And put it right there. And then I'm just going to cut the ribbon. So now we're going to take the front of our frame and put our design into it. Pull down all the little tabs, flip it over, and that's there. I mean, you can leave the your glass part on there if you want to, but I like to have the little embellishments stick out. So for this, I'm just going to take maybe 3 fingers, and I'll just wrap the ribbon around a couple times. And then at the one edge of my finger, I'm just going to cut it off there. So it's like that. Take my fingers off and keep it folded. I'm just going to have something to hold that. I'm going to take my twine. Just take a little piece of that. Twine should be about the same size as your ribbon that you just folded. A little bit longer actually, maybe do it twice the size. Cut it there. And we're going to take the twine, put it in the middle of the ribbon, hold that over, and I'm just going to tie a little knot. And one more knot. Then you're just going to cut off the edges if it's a little too long, however you'd like, and then you're going to take the edge of your ribbon where it's folded and cut it. So you get all these little fray pieces. Do it the same side or the same ribbon on the other side. Adjust the ribbon as you'd like if you want some sides to have more or less. Fan them out a little bit. And then I'm going to unravel this twine a little bit. And then I'm going to place it to the middle top. And then just put my bow on there. And then once we flip it over, we've got some great wall decor. So thanks so much for watching, and if you do decide to try out this project, make sure you tag us so we can see what you're stitching. See you next time.